how to make a main menu UI, a basic main menu UI with a camera. When you move your mouse, the camera moves with it. So first get my model, which is this model, or it's actually this one. Click get model, and you, when it's type in open in studio, here click on tool, click on creator store, then click on, if you're already in inventory, if it's not pop up, click on creator store, and again inventory, it should be pop up. So now put it right here, and when you put it, your screen UI, click read me this, put event on camera part and replicated store. So here we go, camera part, actually here we go, event and camera part together in replicated storage. Then let me get it out, and now screen UI and start UI, know here and done. And camera point in workspace, yeah, it's literally in the workspace. So now here is the things. So here the camera point, which is this thing, and here is it, the camera point. You can want wherever you want, so I'm gonna put it right here, and add this one. If you don't have it, I'm gonna be showing you over right. Go into the Roblox Studio, which will be in the description here. If you find this thing, if you find this one, and I said it should be in the description, then scroll down until find this thing and click it, and click get model and open inventory. It should be pop up right now. So now here is it developed. Ungroup from the replicated storage. Yeah, ungroup it. Just ungroup it. Next, event animation and camera part. This camera part deleted, which is because we don't want it. And ungroup from starter character. I don't know. Let me click it. Starter UI. It's actually a home button. Look, it's actually a home button. So I'm gonna be deleting it. Delete it. This is in the starter player script, which is you literally need this. If you don't put it, the animation will not work. Here, starter player script, and ungroup it. Hit ungroup. And when it's done, and done. So here's it. I'm gonna emit E4. I'm gonna deleting this camera point because that camera point, it's not works. So here, get it like this and put it in front of camera. So now when we hit the play button, it should be working. Because I forgot the camera point, so where I'm gonna put it, here we go. Let me add a camera part, which is here, like this. The camera port, it's down there, which is, if I put it in the camera point, it's working, because in this camera part, if you don't put it to where it's not working. So now when it's done, click on the play button, and here it is loads. Yeah, but the sounds are working. Listen to it. Wait, let me volume it up. Wait. Yeah. You heard that? When I hit the play button, the camera should be done, but it's working. just delete this animation and the event. Here we just need this and the camera point. Read me. Yeah. And don't delete it. Now here we go. In here, start a player script. Delete this. All of these. Yeah. Just delete them. Like this and click delete, or easiest, click on delete button. If you select something and click delete button, it's gonna delete it too fast. Here. So now in this, I'm gonna hit the ungroup, which is these are ungrouped. Yeah. Now if I hit the play button, it's working. Look, it's working, but it's showing the camera part somewhere. When I hit the play button, the camera disappeared. So now you have to move those dummy. Yeah, rotate it. Yeah. Just click on the whatever the name. I put it E4. Yeah, just put it in front of this. Now, when we hit the play button, yeah, it's literally showing the dummy, and it's making the sound, which is these models will be linked in my description, but the settings and credits will not work. You have to invisible these two. You have to put the transparency to 1, which is it's not actually showing. So, but bye guys.